kembali lagi.
To reassure all our citizens that in the light of the findings and the recommendation of the report of the Commission of Inquiry on Drugs, that I will take appropriate measures to contribute in shedding light on issues raised that concern the police. Ladies and gentlemen, as a responsible organization, we have remained alert to the evolving challenges and public demands for an effective police force. To that end, we have set our best foot forward with a view to transforming our organization into one where, in addition to our conventional policing roles, we are also empowering officers to become effective leaders in community policing. In this breath, we are re-engineering our community policing framework by increasing the number of neighborhood officers, build their capacity, and equip them with relevant tools, in order to establish networks within the community and collective problems identification and problem solving. Our determination to keep the criminals at bay has been unflinching. This is evinced by the record seizure of illegal drugs, the dismantling of criminal groups through joint operation by divisional CIDs and anti-robbery squads. On another note, we have embraced new policing concept and have not hesitated to venture into uncharted territories, including non-core policing activities.
Et je crois qu'on n'a jamais sa chance.
Choisis de voir tout ce qui est beau, chanter, même si on chante faux, faire un pas pour trouver la cadence.
We're gonna have a good time tonight. It's so great, it's alright. So we're gonna